Which amendment of the Constitution of India deals with the issue of strengthening of the Panchayati Raj? Answer: 73rd Amendment Act. What does the preamble of our Constitution contain? Answer: the spirit of the Constitution. The source of India's sovereignty lies in which thing? Answer: preamble to the Constitution. When the Vice President acts as President, he gets the emoluments of which post? Answer: President. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? Answer: England. In which year was the first no confidence motion moved in the Lok Sabha after independence? Answer: 1963. From where can a member of parliament claim immunity? Answer: from civil cases only. How many subjects are in the union list? Answer: 97 subjects. By which committee was Mandai Panchayat recommended? Answer: Ashok Mehta Committee. Where was the Panchayati Raj system adopted? Answer: decentralize the power of democracy. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which directive principle of state policy has not been implemented so far? Answer: Uniform Civil Code for the citizen. Which amendments accord precedence to directive principle over fundamental rights? Answer: 42nd Amendment. Which agency has the power to declare any industrial unit as a potential sick unit? Answer: BIFR. Who is authorized to decide over a dispute regarding disqualification of a member of parliament? Answer: President. The Lok Sabha is called in session for at least how many times in a year? Answer: thrice. When can the salaries of High Court judges be reduced? Answer: during a financial emergency. Article 360. By whom are the Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed? Answer: President. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer: Mavalankar. Which is the state having the largest population of scheduled caste? Answer: Uttar Pradesh.